Hello, wonderful viewers. I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day. How is premium cold-pressed pomegranate juice made inside massive modern facilities? Have you ever stopped to wonder how thousands of fresh pomegranates are transformed, step by step, into the delicious ruby red beverage you enjoy so much? Before we dive into this incredible journey, drop a quick comment below and let me know, what time of day are you watching this video? Welcome to the vibrant orchards where the magic begins. These vast modern farms are home to thousands of pomegranate trees basking in the warm sunlight. Pomegranates are widely known and loved for their rich, sweet, and tart flavor profile. In these meticulously managed fields, advanced irrigation and monitoring systems ensure each fruit reaches peak ripeness. It is truly fascinating to see how nature and technology work hand in hand right from the start.
These 3 large pomegranates are perfectly ripe, basking in the midday sun, ready for harvest.
Once harvested, these beautiful ruby red fruits do not just sit around. They are immediately loaded onto massive transport trucks and rushed to the factory to maintain their freshness. Upon arrival at the receiving bay, the scale of the operation is simply mind-blowing. Thousands of pomegranates are poured into giant stainless steel hoppers and carried away on heavy-duty conveyor belts. It is a continuous river of red moving seamlessly into the heart of the facility. Now, cleanliness is an absolute top priority in any modern food plant. The pomegranates enter a massive, high-pressure washing tunnel. Powerful water jets and specialized rotating brushes vigorously scrub away all the farm dirt and dust. Then, they float through deep, bubbling, soaking tanks before receiving a final purified rinse. Seeing them emerge perfectly clean and glowing under the factory lights is incredibly satisfying to watch. This next step always amazes me. The cleaned fruits pass through a high-speed optical sorting line. Here, industrial cameras and laser scanners inspect every single pomegranate in a fraction of a second. If a fruit has a hidden crack or is the wrong size, a precise puff of air or a robotic arm instantly removes it from the line. Only the absolute perfect, flawless pomegranates make it through. It is a brilliant display of precision engineering, ensuring top-tier quality. Here is where things get really interesting. The perfect pomegranates are fed into specialized cutting machines. Razor-sharp circular blades carefully score the thick outer skin, and mechanical grips gently pull the fruit apart. The halves then move onto a vibrating extraction bed, where soft rubber pads rapidly tap the skin. This clever motion releases a beautiful rain of glowing ruby red seeds, separating them perfectly from the bitter white membrane. It is an ingenious mechanical solution to a very tricky task. Now we reach the heart of the operation. Millions of those glistening red seeds pour continuously into a heavy-duty industrial cold press. Using immense hydraulic pressure, the machines slowly crush the seeds, extracting the rich, dark ruby red liquid. Cold pressing is a highly preferred method in the industry because it uses no heat, helping to preserve the natural flavor and vibrant color of the juice that so many people enjoy. Watching that thick, pure juice cascade into the collection troughs is simply mesmerizing. Even after pressing, the raw juice is still quite cloudy. To achieve that crystal clear, premium look, the liquid undergoes a rigorous multi-stage filtration process. It first spins rapidly in a massive centrifuge to remove heavy pulp, before passing through microfilters that catch the finest impurities. Finally, it enters a vacuum chamber to remove tiny oxygen bubbles, ensuring the beverage remains stable. The result is a flawlessly transparent, glowing red liquid ready for standardization. Food safety is a standard that modern factories take extremely seriously. The clear juice now rushes through an ultra-high temperature pasteurization system. In this sterile enclosed environment, the liquid is rapidly heated using corrugated stainless steel plates to destroy any potential microorganisms, and then cooled down almost instantly. This precise thermal step is crucial for extending the shelf life of the product while locking in that signature pomegranate taste, all without the need for artificial additives. After pasteurization, the hot juice must be chilled quickly. It flows into heavily frosted cooling systems, where chilled pipes drop the temperature to near freezing. This extreme cooling phase stabilizes the liquid and prepares it for bottling. Storing the juice in massive, temperature-controlled stabilization tanks ensures that every single batch maintains a consistent, high-quality flavor profile before it ever hits the filling line. Now we move to the incredibly fast bottling phase. Hundreds of premium clear glass bottles are sterilized with high-pressure water jets before entering a sealed filling chamber. Precision nozzles automatically lower into the bottles, pouring exactly 500 milliliters of chilled ruby juice without spilling a single drop. Immediately after filling, robotic heads rapidly twist on the gold metal screw caps. Seeing the exact synchronization of these machines processing hundreds of bottles per minute is an absolute marvel of modern engineering. The filled bottles are then guided along the conveyor to the packaging zone. First, a clear protective band is wrapped around the cap and heat shrunk for extra safety. Next, a high-speed rotary machine smoothly applies the elegant matte black and gold labels onto the glass surface. Rolling brushes gently press out any air bubbles, and industrial lasers etch the tracking codes onto the base. The visual contrast of the dark red juice against the sleek black label makes this product look incredibly premium. In the final stage, giant robotic arms lift the finished bottles and pack them securely into sturdy cardboard cartons. These cartons travel down roller conveyors to an automated palletizer, which meticulously stacks them into perfect cubes. After a quick spin through the stretch wrapper, automated guided vehicles transport the heavy pallets into a massive freezing cold storage warehouse. From there, refrigerated trucks take over, delivering this delightful pomegranate juice to supermarkets around the world, ready for you to enjoy. And that brings us to the end of our factory tour. Thank you so much for watching. Did you enjoy this manufacturing process? Type 1 in the comments if you liked it, or 0 if you did not, and let us know your thoughts. What factory process do you want to explore next? Tell us down below. If you found this video interesting, please share it with your friends, give it a big like, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing factory tours. See you next time.